Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make kitty litter cake. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a 12-ounce package of Tootsie Rolls, and then you need two 3.5-ounce packages of instant vanilla pudding, and then you're going to need 2 boxes of cake mix, 1 chocolate and 1 yellow, and of course everything that it calls for on the back, which is usually eggs, water, oil. And then you need an 11 or 12-ounce package of some kind of cookies. You can either use the vanilla wafers or you can use the Oreos, whatever you want. And then you are also going to need either green or blue food coloring, just a few drops. You're also going to need some kind of litter box. I just got this one. You could use a dishwashing pan, whatever you want to use. And then a kitty scoop, because we're really going to trick these kids. This is going to be fun for April Fool's Day, so I'm doing it while they're sleeping. Alright, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and we're going to get to work on our cake mixes. We're just going to make those according to the back of their boxes. Alright, I'm going to get started on my cake mixes, and you can use any size pans you want for this and just spray them with cooking spray. We are going to crumble these up, so like I said, any size will work. My ingredients are in here for my yellow cake mix, so I am just going to beat those with an electric mixer for 30 seconds on low speed and then medium speed for 2 minutes. Alright, that looks good to me, so we are going to go ahead and just pour that into one of our prepared pans. Okay, my white cake is here, my yellow cake and it's all ready to go. Now let's get to work on the chocolate cake. Same thing, I had to use 3 eggs, a half a cup of oil, and a cup of water. And I am just going to go ahead and mix that on low speed for 30 seconds and then medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay, the chocolate is ready to get poured into this other pan, and then we're going to get those into the oven. Now, there is a difference in my cakes. They do both bake at 350, but one is for 23 to 28 minutes for the yellow, and then 34 to 38 minutes for the chocolate. So we'll have to take the yellow out first. Alright, let's get these into the oven, and I'm going to set my timer for 28 minutes. Cakes are in the oven. I am going to go ahead and get to work on the pudding mix. So I have 4 cups of cold water in here. I'm going to pour both of my pudding mixtures in here and beat it with an electric mixer on low for 2 minutes. Alright, the pudding looks great, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the refrigerator until it is time to use it. Next step is to crumble up our cookies. So you can either put them in a ziploc bag and use a rolling pin or use a food processor. I'm using this NutriBullet here, and we're just going to do them a little at a time until they're fine crumbs. Okay, my cookies are all nice and crumbled, and then I just took out a half a cup of that and added it back to my food processor and added some blue food coloring. I don't know if you can see that, but over here it really does look like cat litter because of the blue. Okay, both of my cakes have come out of the oven, and I have unwrapped all of my Tootsie Rolls. There is just one problem. Taste tester woke up. I've been having to wake him up every day at 9:30, and now today he decides to wake up. So my cakes have cooled, so what we're going to do next is just crumble them. They don't have to be in little pieces or anything, but we're just going to crumble both of them up and put them into a large bowl. Alright, I am going to do this in 2 steps because my bowl is just not big enough. I still have half of both of my cakes over here. So just take your kitty litter box. Of course, you make sure you wash it and dry it as I have, and then get out your pudding. Alright, next we're just going to add some of our pudding mix over here. We're not going to use all of it. We won't even use all of it when we finish up over here. You just want it to get to the cake moist. You don't want it to be soggy. It just kind of brings it all together. Okay, that looks good to me. You do not want to overmix that, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my litter box. Alright, my cakes and my pudding mixture is all in my litter box. So now I'm going to just take my cookies that I shredded into little pieces, and we are going to put those on the top. Alright, that looks great. So next we are going to get to work on our little cat poops. Alright, go ahead and put some of your unrolled Tootsie Rolls on a plate, and we are just going to put those in the microwave. I'm going to do maybe 10 seconds and just see if they're easily workable with that, or we might have to go 20. Okay, I only used an 8-ounce bag of the Tootsie Rolls, and it is plenty. And I have a couple on the side, and I still have one more batch in the microwave right now that I need to shape into my little cat poop. Basically, I just put 2 Tootsie Rolls together and just like form it with your hands. In my microwave, it takes 15 seconds. Yours could be a little different. Alright, all my little cat poops are done. Next, we are going to take our reserved cookie crumbs that we tinted blue or green and sprinkle those all over top. Plus, I don't even know how I'm going to trick Taste Tester, guys, because we don't even have a cat. Alright, guys, this is all finished, and I don't even know if the pictures do it justice. It is awesome, and the cat litter scoop is just great. It's just the way to serve it, and oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Guess we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, you can open them. Look right here.
What are those?
What's it look like?
Worms? Chocolate worms?
No, it's cat poop. It's a kitty litter box. Don't you see the kitty on the front?
Oh, yeah.
And it's poop. Would you eat that? No? Or yes? I got it from Izzy and Kai. I got it from their kitty. I wanted to see if you would eat it.
For real?
Yeah, would you?
Is it for real poop?
Yeah. Would you take a bite?
Is it for real
Do you want me to take a bite first?
Yeah. That's for real.
Will you try one?
Yes.
Okay, try it. April Fools! It's not. It's a Tootsie Roll.
I knew it.
Everyone, let's see what Taste Tester thinks of the cake. Take a bite, Taste Tester.
Okay.
Now that you know it's only cake.
Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Happy April Fool's Day!
Happy April Fool's Day. Bye.